Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Casey Neistat. Over 4.3 million sellers on Etsy. Can you believe that? That's a whole lot of people selling stuff from their living rooms, their garages, their grandma's basement, who knows? The point is, Etsy has exploded, man. It's a massive online marketplace and it's only getting bigger. Now, you might be thinking, Casey, 4.3 million sellers, that's a lot of competition, and you're not wrong. But here's the thing, competition just means there's a huge demand. So if you've got a knack for creating awesome stuff, whether it's jewelry, art, clothing, or whatever your passion is, then Etsy is the place to be. Imagine this, you in your PJs, laptop open, sipping coffee and raking in the dough. That's the beauty of Etsy. It's like having a storefront on the busiest street in the world, but without the crazy rent and the annoying commute. No more soul-crushing 9 to 5, no more answering to a boss you can't stand. With Etsy, you are the boss. You set your own hours, you make your own rules, and you build a business around your passions. But let's be real, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Building a successful Etsy shop takes work, dedication, and a little bit of know-how. Okay, so we've established Etsy is huge, right? But I'm not just talking about the number of sellers, I'm talking about the reach, the global audience you can tap into. Think about it, you're not just selling to your town, your city, or even your country, you're selling to the world, baby. Someone in Tokyo could be rocking your handmade earrings. A family in Paris could be decorating their home with your custom artwork. The possibilities are literally endless. It's like having a shop on every street corner, in every country, on every continent. The potential is mind-blowing. And the best part? Etsy makes it crazy easy to set up shop. You don't need to be a tech whiz to figure it out. Now let's talk about the good stuff, the money, because let's be real, that's why we're all here, right? To make some serious bank. And Etsy gives you the power to do just that, all while doing what you love. Imagine waking up, grabbing your phone and seeing a bunch of notifications. Sale, sale, sale. That's the reality for tons of Etsy sellers. They're turning their passions into profits, and you can too. Whether you're a master potter, a jewelry-making Jedi, or a vintage clothing connoisseur, Etsy provides the platform to monetize your skills. Now, before you go quitting your day job and buying a yacht with all your Etsy earnings, let's get real for a second. Building a successful Etsy business takes work. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's like building a house brick by brick. You got to lay the foundation, put in the effort, and be patient. But trust me, the rewards are worth it. The feeling of seeing your creations out in the world, being loved and appreciated by people all over the globe, that's priceless, man. All right, so we've talked about the amazing potential of Etsy, right? The global reach, the chance to cash in on your creativity. It's all super exciting, but let's address the elephant in the room, or should I say, the elephant in the Etsy shop. Because here's the deal. It's a jungle out there, man. 4.3 million sellers, that's a lot of competition. It's like trying to stand out in a sea of hand-knitted scarves and artisanal candles. You got to find a way to cut through the noise, to grab people's attention and scream, "Hey, look at my awesome stuff." Now, I'm not trying to scare you off, just keeping it real, because the truth is, even with millions of sellers, there's always room for more. There are always people looking for something new, something unique, something that speaks to them. Okay, you've got amazing products, your Etsy shop is looking fly, but nobody's visiting. It's like throwing a party and nobody shows up. What gives? Well, my friend, you've got a traffic problem. You see, having a killer Etsy shop is only half the battle. The other half is getting people to actually find it. It's like having a hidden treasure chest. It doesn't matter how much gold is inside if nobody knows where to dig. We got to get those eyeballs on your shop, those clicks on your listings, and those sales rolling in. All right, so you're getting traffic, people are loving your products, you're making sales, life is good, but then bam, you get hit with a customer conundrum. Maybe it's a shipping snafu, a product return, or a negative review that stings worse than a bee sting. Look, dealing with customers is part of any business, and Etsy is no exception. And let's be real, not all customers are created equal. You're going to encounter some real gems out there, the kind that leave glowing reviews and become loyal fans, but then you've got the other end of the spectrum, the ones who leave scathing reviews over a minor delay, the ones who demand the impossible, and the ones who just love to complain. But hey, don't stress, we've got your back. Pricing your products, it's one of the biggest head scratchers for Etsy sellers. Too high and you'll scare away potential customers. Too low and you'll be working your butt off for peanuts. So, how do you find that sweet spot, the price that's just right? Well, there's no magic formula, unfortunately, but there are some key factors to consider, like your costs, your time, and the perceived value of your products. You got to know your worth, but you also got to be realistic about the market and what people are willing to pay. All right, let's cut to the chase. If you want to make bank on Etsy, you got to have products that are off the chain. I'm talking about stuff that makes people stop scrolling and say, whoa, I need that in my life. Think about it. People come to Etsy for something special, something they can't find at the mall or on Amazon. They want handmade, vintage, one-of-a-kind treasures. So, what makes your product stand out from the crowd? Are you using unique materials? Do you have a signature style that screams your name? These are the questions you gotta ask yourself, because here's the deal. Mediocrity is the enemy of success on Etsy. Okay, so you've got amazing products, but nobody can find them. It's like hiding a treasure chest in the middle of the ocean and expecting people to stumble upon it. That's where SEO Sorcery comes in. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it's basically the art of making your Etsy listings show up higher in search results. Think about it. When you're looking for something on Etsy, what do? You type keywords into the search bar, right? It's about putting yourself in the shoes of your customers and thinking about what they would type into that search bar. All right, let's talk about first impressions, because on Etsy, a picture is worth 1,000 sales. Your product photos are the first thing potential customers see, and they can make or break a sale. Think about it. Would you buy a shirt online if the photo was blurry, poorly lit, and showed the shirt crumpled up in a ball? Probably not. You want to see the shirt in all its glory, right? Well, it's the same with your products. Your photos need to be clear, bright, and showcase your products in the best possible light. Remember, your photos are your product's first impression. All right, let's talk about getting social, because in today's digital age, if you're not on social media, you're missing out on a huge opportunity to connect with potential customers and grow your Etsy empire. Think about it. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest are like virtual marketplaces, teeming with potential customers who are just waiting to discover your awesome products. But it's not enough to just create profiles and post randomly. You gotta be strategic. All right, let's talk about getting the word out. Because even if you have the most amazing products in the world, if nobody knows about them, you're not going to sell anything. You got to promote. Now, promotion doesn't have to be sleazy or salesy. It's all about getting creative and finding fun, engaging ways to tell people about your products. Think outside the box. Run flash sales and offer discounts, collaborate with other Etsy sellers on cross-promotions, and don't underestimate the power of good old-fashioned word-of-mouth marketing. Tell your friends, family, and even your barista about your awesome Etsy shop. Remember, the more people you reach, the more potential customers you have.
Meet Sarah, a stay-at-home mom with a passion for pottery. What started as a creative outlet in her basement quickly transformed into a thriving Etsy business, Handmade Haven. Sarah's story is proof that with dedication, talent, and a little bit of hustle, you can turn your passion into a full-time income from your own home. Sarah's journey began with a simple idea, sharing her unique handcrafted pottery with the world. She poured her heart and soul into creating beautiful, functional pieces, from mugs and bowls to planters and vases. Each piece was infused with her personality and a touch of artistry that mass-produced items simply couldn't replicate. She meticulously photographed her creations, highlighting their unique textures and colors. She mastered the art of SEO, using relevant keywords to ensure her listings appeared high in Etsy search results. Social media became her virtual storefront, where she shared behind-the-scenes glimpses of her process, connected with potential customers, and built a loyal following.
A vintage visionary, turning thrifting into treasure. Mark, a self-proclaimed thrift store junkie, always had an eye for unique and vintage finds. One day, he had an epiphany. Why not share my passion with the world and make some money while I'm at it? That's how his Etsy shop, Vintage Vantage, was born. Armed with a keen eye for style, a knack for spotting hidden gems, and a passion for giving old items a new lease on life, Mark scoured flea markets, thrift stores, and estate sales for hidden treasures. He meticulously cleaned, repaired, and photographed each item, highlighting its unique history and character in his Etsy listings. He understood the power of storytelling and infused his product descriptions with anecdotes and details that transported buyers back in time. He knew his target audience: vintage enthusiasts, collectors, and anyone looking for one-of-a-kind pieces with a story to tell. Through strategic social media marketing, Mark showcased his finds to a global audience.
Digital domination, the design guru, raking in passive income. Meet Lisa, a graphic designer with a talent for creating eye-catching digital products. She dreamed of breaking free from the 9-to-5 grind and building a business that offered flexibility and unlimited income potential. Her solution, Etsy. But Lisa's Etsy shop wasn't selling physical goods, it was a digital goldmine. Lisa understood the power of passive income and leveraged her design skills to create digital products that could be sold over and over again. She designed everything from printable art prints and social media templates to website themes and digital planners. By offering instant downloads, she eliminated the hassle of shipping and inventory management, allowing her to scale her business effortlessly. She focused on creating high-quality, on-trend designs that catered to a wide range of niches, attracting bloggers, small business owners, and anyone looking for affordable and stylish digital solutions. Lisa's Etsy shop became a passive income powerhouse, generating sales while she slept, traveled, or simply enjoyed her newfound freedom. Her story demonstrates the incredible potential of selling digital products on Etsy, turning your design skills into a source of both income and liberation.
So there you have it, folks. We've journeyed deep into the heart of the Etsy jungle, explored the incredible opportunities, and armed ourselves with the strategies to conquer this booming marketplace. Remember those 4.3 million sellers? They're not competition, they're proof that this thing works. Whether you're whipping up handmade masterpieces, curating vintage treasures, or designing digital delights, Etsy is your platform to shine. It's about turning your passion into profit, your creativity into cash, your couch into a money-making command center. But it's not just about the money, though that's always a nice bonus. It's about the freedom, baby. The freedom to be your own boss, set your own hours, and build a business around your passions. It's about sharing your unique gifts with the world and building something you're truly proud of. So, what are you waiting for? Take that leap. Unleash your inner entrepreneur, and let's make some magic happen on Etsy. And hey, while you're at it, hit that subscribe button and share your own Etsy adventures in the comments below. Let's build this empire together, one sale at a time. So, are you fired up? Are you ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind and become an Etsy entrepreneur? I know you are. But don't just take my word for it, jump in and see for yourself. Start small, experiment, and have fun with it. And hey, this isn't a one-way street, all right? I want to hear from you. Drop your Etsy shop link in the comments below. Let's support each other. Got questions? Fire away. This community is all about helping each other succeed. Remember, the world is craving authenticity, creativity, and that special something only you can offer. So what are you waiting for? Your Etsy adventure starts now. Let's go.